Hello Jyotish patrons, welcome to Jyotish Kasi's YouTube channel. This channel is meant for those who seek to lead an intelligent life balancing between free will and destiny. Do click on the subscribe button, the bell icon and the like button to enjoy more such useful videos in this channel. And yes, please do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. This is the fifth of the series of short videos on significations of grahas or planets. As I mentioned in my previous video, in each of the short video, I will explain and give you an overview of one graha or planet. If you are a student of astrology, you may find it useful to further your knowledge, and if you are not an astrologer, you will find it useful when you're having a meaningful conversation with your astrologer. It can also help you in asking the right questions to your astrologer. As you know, in Vedic astrology, we consider 7 physical grahas: Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. These grahas unfold karmas that are laid in a chart or a horoscope. Besides these 7 grahas, the northern and the southern lunar nodes, that is Rahu and Ketu, are also given the status of grahas in Vedic astrology, although they are not physical planets. The focus of this short video is Jupiter. When you look at the significations of each graha, you can bring them out in various segments. As usual, let's begin with Deva or God. The Deva incarnation of Jupiter is Lord Vamana, an incarnation again of Vishnu. The deity for Jupiter is Indra. The general significations of Jupiter include children, wisdom, teachers, knowledge, progeny, spirituality, liver, fat, etc. Now, Jupiter also represents living beings or jiva and two-legged creatures such as human. The immune system in your body is denoted by a balance among the composition of Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Jupiter represents Kapha. From the perspective of human body, it represents the fat tissues and the abdomen. From a social status perspective, it represents advisors, teachers, or an office that requires high level of deep subject matter expertise. It also represents Brahmana community in general. Jupiter is also a representation of average and ordinary clothing. Amongst colors, Jupiter represents yellow. Directionally, Jupiter represents the northeast. Among diseases, Jupiter signifies lymphatic and circulatory congestions, tumors and ear problems, fat, obesity, liver diseases, diabetes, pancreas-related complaints. It represents a distance of about 9 yojana or 81 miles. Ether is the key element, and Jupiter also signifies sweet flavored taste. Jupiter also signifies jasmine, Bengal gram, trees bearing fruits, fatty but pure foods, butter, ghee, cream, gourd, pumpkin, squash, naturally sweet foods, berries, sugarcane, dates, honey, olive oil, orchard trees, sweet herbs, peppermint, spearmint, sweet wines. All these are significations of Jupiter. Among geometric shapes, it represents ellipse, and among glands, it signifies straight ahead. Jupiter also represents tall height. Among metals and gemstones, it signifies gold and topaz and citrine. The nature of Jupiter is a natural benefic. Jupiter personifies knowledge and fortune. The numeric it represents is number 3. And the persuasion method that works best is good counsel or sama. Among places, Jupiter signifies treasuries, banks, vaults, dignified places such as courts of law, prestigious universities, altars, pompous functions, social balls, political assemblies, charitable institutions, high level financial institutions, stock and commodity markets, monasteries, missions, all these places are represented by Jupiter. Jupiter plays on the mental and the spiritual level. Among professions, Jupiter signifies religion or religious instructions, teaching and preaching, children's related activities or professions, advising, counseling, philosophy, judging, legislating, planning, recitation and study of scriptures, money lending, assistance from the wise spiritual leaders or the government. From a psychology point of view, Jupiter signifies growth and expansion, humanitarian and spiritual outlook, wisdom, spiritualism, faith, geniality, generosity, joviality, humor, idealism, good powers of judgment. Among the three gunas, it represents sattva. Jupiter is also a signification of children. Its sexual representation is masculine, and the sexual union or the partner is suitable partners. The temperament of Jupiter is mild, benign, and soft hearted. Now, having come full circle, knowing the significations of Jupiter, how would you really use it? Well, what you do is essentially analyze the strength and the stability of Jupiter in a horoscope and apply each of the signification to what it represents in the horoscope. So let's take a simple example. You know that Jupiter signifies knowledge, kindness, spirituality, and soft speech. So if Jupiter in the horoscope is strong and stable, and if you're looking at the area of the self in the horoscope, you can rest assured the person is likely to be kind hearted, soft spoken, and a very knowledgeable person with a spiritual bent of mind and a very good sense of humor, someone whom you could trust, and he could be your trusted friend and advisor. He or she will be wearing an ordinary clothing with average appearance. Jupiter in the area of the self in the horoscope will give a tall stature or height to the person. If a strong Jupiter is in the professional area of the horoscope, the person is very likely a well-respected teacher, professor, a genuine spiritual guru, counselor, judge, or a high-ranking individual in finance and banking, or treasury perhaps. The reverse could also be true if Jupiter in the chart is weak and unstable. For example, if you see an afflicted Jupiter in the area where you read about the self in the horoscope, then the native is likely having some kind of a physical complaint, liver complaints, or suffering from tumor related diseases that will most likely surface during the dasha or bhukti of Jupiter. In some horoscopes, Jupiter could be a functional malefic, causing irreparable damages in the life of the individual. You need to pay particular attention to all the significations of Jupiter if the individual is running a Jupiter dasha or bhukti, because this is when the karmas being unfolded by Jupiter will begin to surface prominently in the life of the individual. So you see, slowly you begin to apply the significations of the graha to the chart and steadily begin to unfold various aspects of the individual, his nature or levels of knowledge, education, speech, appearance, etc. As you progress in your study and of the significations of the grahas, you will learn to combine the significations of each graha and knit them together to get the true and full picture of the horoscope. It's very important to note that there are multitude of combinations that you need to consider and the layers of analysis that you need to perform before arriving at a probable conclusion about the nature of the individual, his or her knowledge levels, health, progeny, profession, career, finances, etc. The significations of Graha is a stepping stone in the journey of amazing discovery and foresight of human life that is well balanced between destiny and free will. In my next video, I will give you an overview of Venus. Live intelligently and seek astrological counseling to do so. I hope you enjoyed the short video. Please do press the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon to continue enjoying more such useful short videos. And yes, do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Cheers until then. Thank you.